Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another graduation week video. Today I have a really fun box card for you. This is my Time to Fly box card. How fun is this design? You have that boy graduate there, there is the airplane in the background, the textbooks in the front, and then that globe there, ready to just point him in the right direction. It folds relatively flat for mailing. There's a spot on the back for your message, and of course I include an envelope as well. These box cards are a little bit different in design, but they come together just the same. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, your brayer, scraper, a weeding tool, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Graduation Week 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in the entire event, including all 7 cut files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus graduation cut files through the VIP Access Pass, you can find information down below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, come up to the Operation menu and change those to Score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing to the card base. And to the inside tab piece. Once the score lines have been converted for the envelope, the outside box piece, and the inside tab piece, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is assemble the outside box piece. First, I'll go ahead and fold and burnish along the tabs. Just like that. Next, I'm going to flip it over and place the solid white backing piece on the back. This is going to add some stability, and it's also going to really make the airplane pop. There we go. And now we can add the light blue trim piece to the inside there. There we go. Now you're going to notice that here on the bottom it doesn't line up all the way on mine. That's because I was using a scrap piece of paper and it just cut off a little bit here on the bottom, but that's alright because it will all be covered up with the rest of the card. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. We can go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. Flip the outside box piece back over and we're going to attach the messaging panel to the back. And now set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer the inside tab piece. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the cream color, red, the charcoal, and then the yellow. Before I layer everything together, I'm going to fold and burnish along these tabs. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I put everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our inside tab piece. I will set that to the side. And now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Now just like with the inside tab piece, you can take a look at the layering guide to help with the layering of this, but it's going to be basically the white piece and then the orange piece. And there we go. I'll set that to the side. And now we can take our outside box piece and our inside tab piece. I'm going to add glue to this left tab and attach it here on the left, making sure to line up my edges well. Now I'll repeat that for the right side. Go ahead and fold both of those pieces over. Make sure that everything is laying flat. Just like that. And now I'm going to add glue to this front left tab and attach the left side of the front cover panel. And then add glue to the right tab. Go ahead and close up the box. And there we go. I'm going to set that to the side so everything can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip that inlay over. Attach it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our Time to Fly graduation box card is all set. How fun was this card to put together? You could totally customize this to your different school colors if you want. I just think it's a really fun, really cute card to give to a graduate. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next graduation week video. Bye-bye.